Relentlessly, Karnafuly Ship Builders Ltd has accomplished an unbelievable job. In fact, they converted a fiction into a fact by giving a new life to Bangla Shourab, one of the main ship in Bangladesh Shipping Corporation. On June 24, 2006, a fatal explosion in number 4 cargo tank that killed the chief officer on the ship Bangla Shourab and 2 other sailors. The tanker exploded critically and sank in the Bay of Bengal. When the death of the tanker was almost certain and its funeral is almost confirmed, this time Karnafuly Ship Builders Ltd came as a savior. They took a challenge by declaring that they would be able to repair the ship and make it serviceable and seaworthy once again. Karnafuly Ship Builders Ltd reconstructed the vessel in a no-cure, no-pay basis. No other shipyards in the country came forward to accept the challenge. Karnafuly Ship Builders Ltd salvaged the ship, towed it to Chittagong port, where the ship was cut into 2 pieces and reconstructed with about 700 capable for regular sea. Bangla Shourab restarted its voyage to Bay of Bengal with pride and success. This success has set a new era of shipbuilding